You have believed these lies about CCTV cameras. I'm going to talk about the top 4 in this video, and I promise you by the end of this video you are going to understand why it's so ridiculous. Fun fact, before I came into this profession, I fell victim to the 3rd misconception. Let's keep this between us. And without saying much, let's set the ball rolling. So Hollywood has made us believe that images can be refined. That is, after they have been recorded, you can zoom in, zoom out, or refine the image and see people clearer. But that is not the case. What actually happens is that if you are playing a recording, it's going to get blurry as you zoom in. Once it is recorded, there is no way you can refine the images. At least with the technology we have now, you can't do that. On the other hand, there are some cameras that can zoom in when you are recording it live. That is, when you zoom in, you can see the image clearer because of the lens that it has, and that is totally possible. But after it has recorded, you cannot zoom in again. You can, but it will get blurry and you wouldn't see the images clearer as it should be. People have this perception that all cameras function similarly. That is, every camera can do everything, but that can't be further from the truth. What happens is every camera has its speciality, or it can combine 1 or 2 functions. These can be with the resolution, its ability to record number plates, facial recognition. The list goes on and on. So this is something you have to have in mind before you purchase a CCTV system. Another thing Hollywood makes us believe is all cameras can move or can be moved with a command from the control room. And this is another lie. There are actually cameras which can do that, and they are called the PTZ cameras, which stands for pan, tilt and zoom. So you get the gist. These cameras have the ability to move with a command from the control room, and this is how these cameras look. So if you see a camera like this and Hollywood is making you believe that it can move, it's a lie. And last but not the least, people also have this perception that cameras record all the time. There is some truth to this, okay? Cameras have the ability to record all the time. However, in order to save space on your hard disk, you can't be recording all the time. Still footages will eat up a lot of space on your hard disk. So this is what we do. The camera will be set to record only when there is motion. In other words, whenever the camera sees that there is a change in the pixels that it is recording, then it starts recording onto the hard disk. This will help you save a lot of space and get a lot of unwanted footages from your recording. These are a couple of misconceptions, and I hope I've clarified a lot of things for you. So please feel free to tell me which one you have always believed, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you in the next video.